Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete or unlink your business account on Google from your Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to need to do for this is you're going to need to have access to your Google business account, and even if there are any if there are any ways that you can shut that account down, you can very easily do that, and that's automatically going to unlink these two. Now, I'm not sure exactly because I don't have a business. I'm not sure if there are any ways to connect just the business account and Google Maps. I do know if you want ads on your Google Maps, you can connect Google. What's it called? The Google Ads account with the Google Business account, and if you have a campaign, that's automatically gonna place ads on Google Maps, in which case you just need to unlink the two through your Google Ads tools, and that should be pretty much it. Other than that, if you want to unlink and if you can't delete the account specifically for the business center, you're going to need to delete your Google account as a whole. And for that, you just need to go into your Google Account Manager, go into Data and Privacy, scroll down until you get pretty much at the bottom under More Options. You'll see Delete Your Google Account, and you'll be able to delete your entire account, and that's going to delete your business account and unlink it from Maps as well. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.